I present the Auertech Portable Washing Machine, a washing machine that offers you multiple advantages and has received excellent ratings from customers who have bought it. Do you want to know why? The Auertech Portable Washing Machine is an easy-to-use washing machine that cleans clothes very well and has a good capacity. You can wash up to 18 pounds of clothes in the wash drum and 10 pounds in the spin drum. The wash cycle takes about 15 minutes and the spin cycle takes about 5 minutes. The clothes come out almost dry after spinning, which saves you time and money on drying. In addition, the Auertech Portable Washing Machine has a drain pump that makes it easy to empty the water. It's also pretty quiet and doesn't take up much space. It's ideal for apartments, dorms, campsites, or anywhere you don't have laundry. Customers who have purchased this washing machine are very satisfied with its performance and quality. On Amazon, it has a rating of 4.3 stars out of 5, and more than 80% of customers have given it 4 or 5 stars. Here are some of the comments they have left. I love this washing machine. It is very easy to use and the clothes are very clean. I highly recommend her. This washing machine is wonderful. It has a lot of capacity and the clothes come out almost dry. It's perfect for my apartment. I'm very happy with this washing machine. It is very practical and economical. I use it every day and it hasn't given me any problems. As you can see, the Auertech Portable Washing Machine is a washing machine that offers you everything you need: ease, cleanliness, capacity, savings and satisfaction. Click on the link in the description of this video and learn more.